What is Windows Snipping Tool? Hello, and welcome back to my channel Computer and Internet Do's and Don'ts. Today, I want to discuss the Windows Snipping Tool. The Windows Snipping Tool has been around since Windows Vista, but I have never used it. Today, for the first time, I want to explore exactly what is the Windows Snipping Tool and how can I use it to my benefit. Simply put, the Snipping Tool is a free utility built into Windows for taking a snapshot to copy words or images from all or part of your PC screen. You can use the Snipping Tool to make changes or notes, then save and share. It can take still screenshots of an open window, rectangular areas, a freeform area, or the entire screen. Snips can then be annotated using a mouse or a tablet, stored as an image file or an HTML file, or emailed. The Snipping Tool is similar to the screenshot program that you access when you press the PRTSCR key on your keypad. However, the Snipping Tool makes it easier to copy and edit portions of your screen instead of the whole screen. What also makes it useful is most snipping tools offer the ability to easily select and capture multiple areas of the screen at once. This can definitely come in handy when you need to take quick shots of different parts of your screen without having to go through the entire capturing process multiple times. So how do you access the Windows Snipping Tool while pressing the Windows logo key plus Shift plus S simultaneously? You can also access the Snipping Tool by typing Snipping Tool in the Windows search box or from the Start menu. Now let's see the Snipping Tool at work. First, I access Snipping Tool from the Windows search box. You can scroll through the various settings by clicking on the icon furthest to the right on the top menu. You can use the other icons on the top menu to adjust the delay settings and format settings. For example, you can set the screenshot to record a rectangular shape with a 2-second delay. Also, using the top menu, you can select either a screenshot or video. You can click New to create your screenshot. After you take your screenshot, you will have the option to edit your image with Paint or your video with Clipchamp. Or you can simply save the screenshot or video to a folder on your computer. Thanks for watching and continue to watch the video to see how I use the Snipping Tool.